Okay, sir, you can start it off.
Respected sir and my dear friends, good evening to all of you.
Good evening.
Today I have a wonderful opportunity to present my learning of last month. So I have learned many things in my last month related to my life and related to my English also. So firstly, in the last month, my result was announced. So my result, many people get good marks, but they were not satisfied with marks. So a person who get 80% marks was saying, if I get 90% marks, these kinds of thing. But I learned from that thing that if we have this much, we also think that we have this much only. But if we take it seriously, then we also should then we get to know that how much we have. Some people also imagine for that thing. So, and one more thing that I learned in my last month, that how to manage any problem. That nowadays many people are suffering from depression and many kinds of problem. So I learned that if you are in any trouble, in any problem and any bad condition, so you should spend your time with your family, with your friends. They will also help you to overcome this situation. So, and one more thing, I learned this from my mother. At the home, sometimes she takes small things like this much. But when the big conditions come and any big problems come, she solve it in a very easy way, and she never show us that how much worry she is, and she always try to show us that she is not worried, and she's try to show that I am okay at my condition, and you should also follow this, my mother tells me. And one more thing, I was a in my before 2 or 3 months I was a girl. If a person scold her and any unknown person, she started crying. And if I am walking on road and someone say side ho jao in a very cruel way, then I started crying in my heart, and sometimes it feels me for a long time. But now I improved it. So because now we are going to now I will go college, and at college I also will face these kinds of situations. So I should know that how to manage these kinds of conditions or situation. And in my English classes, I also learned many things, and I also improved my skills in English. So for the first time I was not able to stand here properly, but now I am here able to stand here, and I improve my many things. And I also improve my speaking skills in English, and that I am showing it. Thank you.